Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by ensuring you have admin rights and a backup browser installed, because changing defaults requires permission. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Default Apps, and locate Microsoft Edge. This is where the simplest disable steps begin. Once done, make sure to change the default browser to your alternate choice so file associations won't revert. You're taking control now. Proceed deliberately, because Windows manages Edge tightly, and small steps avoid system conflicts or lost links later. You'll follow two core approaches: policy/registry and file-level rename. First, use group policy or registry edits to prevent Edge from registering as default and from launching on startup. This explains why Windows behavior changes. If policies are restricted, boot safe mode and rename the Edge executable to block automatic launches, and then restore if needed. Also, stop Edge-related scheduled tasks and disable Microsoft Edge update services so the browser does not reinstall or relaunch. You finish by restarting and verifying that links, PDF, and other web-capable files open in your chosen browser. This confirms the disable worked. If Edge reappears, restore the original executable temporarily, reapply the group policy or registry change correctly, and consider enterprise management tools for persistent enforcement. If things go wrong, check Event Viewer for errors, run group policy results, and use System Restore only if necessary. These steps explain how to diagnose and recover without losing custom settings.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.